What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace. So dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace, especially the advantage of it on other like e-commerce platforms is that most people are on Facebook for hours each day. So they are scrolling on their newsfeed and some ads they pop up on the Facebook Marketplace, and it's a pretty big opportunity since more and more people now are looking for products and searching products on Facebook Marketplace since they already are on the Facebook app. So taking advantage of this opportunity is a clever way to make more profit. To do so, just simply go to Marketplace here and then create a new listing. And then you can list items for sales or vehicles or real estate if you want to. However, we'll focus here on items. And now you'll need to identify your niche as if the type of products that you want to sell, as identifying it is a crucial step in knowing what items exactly to sell and be consistent with the type of products that you are offering. To do so, you can go ahead and do some research on which products are trending or are most searched for on Facebook Marketplace. Now, the third step is to find a provider. You can go to providers such as CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress, which are online retailers that they offer lots on millions of products with pretty competitive pricing. So on AliExpress, for example, let's say I like a product. You can, of course, search for the trending products or the deal here, the super deals if you want to. And here you can shop by category. And you can go ahead and view this. Let's say I like this cable, for example. Click on it. It'll open up the product window here. As you can see here, it's sold over 1,000 units with over 200 positive reviews. And here you can go ahead and buy now or add to cart or share. And you can go ahead and download the photos and list them and list the product description over on Facebook Marketplace. And once you get an order on Facebook Marketplace for this specific product, you can go ahead and buy it as if you are buying it for yourself. That's the whole point of the dropshipping business model, is that you list the product, but you don't have it physically. And once you get an order on Facebook Marketplace, or in this case, of course, on Facebook Marketplace, you go ahead and buy it from AliExpress as if you are the customer buying it. However, you enter the information and the address of the client who ordered it on Facebook. So of course, you follow the pricing here and you list it on Facebook with a higher price than this, and the price difference will be your profit. However, of course, you need to include the shipping pricing as it may vary depending on the item and the seller that you do. And you can also go to Alibaba and contact the sellers directly if you want to do business and you want to be having this supplier with you all the time, and as if you are like making a deal with them to supply you with the products. So that's basically how you start dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace.